Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is part two of the channel plate. I just want to let you guys know that you guys were doing a great job with creating this drawing. I saw with the YouTube videos you uh, collectively were able to get this completed. I love to see it. Now, moving on to part two for this video. I noticed that you guys were basically having issues with regards to dimensioning. The arrows were either too big or the text was too big or it looked overcrowded, which is understandable. Now, I'm going to show you how to fix that, okay? First, we have to be mindful that this drawing is very small. It's an inch and a quarter by an inch and a half, right? So we don't have much room to play with dimensions. Our other drawing was about 6.5 inches by 4 inches, okay? So it was a little bigger, more proportionate. So I'm going to turn on my dimension layer. I'm going to turn off my construction layer properties real quick. Turn on my dimension layer properties. As you can see here, what I did was I was able to have all these dimensions put out, and you see how they're spaced. So I'm going to continue dimension. I have 0.20 here. I have 1.5 here. I'm going to do, let me minimize my screen real quick. I am going to basically add some more. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how. So the command is called dimsty. That is DIMSTY. Now that's short for dim style. I'm going to press enter. As you can see here, Dimension Style Manager is going to pop up. You're going to see a fake drawing here with all these dimensions. I'm going to modify. Now, first, we are going to go to symbols and arrows. Arrow size. I decided to change my arrow size to 0.050, not zero point 0.5, 0.050. If you change it to zero point 0.5, it'll be just as big. Or I'm sorry, it'll be bigger. Now, usually when we start up our computers, it's 0.1800. I'm gonna click close, and that's how our arrows were looking before. Not ideal for what we want. We want something nice and crispy and neat. Okay. So I'm gonna go to modify again. I'm gonna go over to lines and symbols and arrows. I'm gonna type in 0.0500. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to text. I'm also gonna put in 0.500 where it says text height. So again, symbols and arrows, arrow size 0.500, text 0.0500. Now we are going to go to primary units and we're going to switch this up. I'm going to click OK for now just to show you. So as you can see here, I don't have zeros in front of anything that has a decimal. Okay. Now, the way to do that, also I have 3 digits now. This is ideally what I wanted, 3 digits after the decimal. I don't want to go two because if we were to do like a fractional decimal 0.375, it'll round up to 0.38. And that might cause a little confusion to you guys because we want to make sure we're able to distinguish the difference between common fractions. Let's say, in my opinion, common fractions are like drill bits, right? Quarter inch, 3/8, half inch, 1/8, 1/16. You guys are picking these up little by little, and I want to keep that momentum going. So, I'm sorry, dimsty, modify. Now, to change the primary units to 3 decimals, I am going to go to precision. I make sure my unit format is decimal. We don't want to go scientific because we don't really want the exponential, um, exponent. We want decimal. We don't want engineering because then that's when you get into degrees, minutes, and seconds. We haven't really learned that. We might not learn it. I might go over it briefly. It's not really important, but that is more so for international standards. Um, I decided we're not going to use fractions because most mechanical drawings have decimals. Um, Fractions. So yeah, we're going to go to decimal. I'm going to change it so it's 3 digits after the decimal. Again, we are aiming for 3 digits after the decimal. Now, to remove the zero in front of the decimal point, You're going to go to this area here called zero suppression. You're going to click on leading. Now, I'm going to click OK, click close. I don't want to click the other end where it says trailing because it's going to stop uh, basically at 1.5, 0.2, 0.3. I kind of want those three digits there. Okay? So I'm not going to dimension everything. I'm going to leave that up to you. Make sure you are following your drawing that's given on Google Classroom and proceed to continue. Once you complete this, please submit this assignment. Thank you very much, y'all. Hope you guys have a great day.